All right, ladies. So I sent you guys the CHAMPS, which is part of our PBIS, the Positive Behavior Incentive System, right? That's what it stands for. And so CHAMPS, what it is before we start anything new, we want to CHAMPS it out. And so it just kind of goes over what is the expectations for the activities we're in. So like conversation is C, and what level are we talking at? Are we at a whisper? Are we at a level 0? Do we have conversation? And so the link I sent you looks different than mine. I did mine a little bit different this year, but essentially C is conversation. What's their voice level at? H is help. So are they going to be raising their hand to get your attention? Do they need to ask 3 before they ask you? So how are they going to get their help? A is the activity. What activity are we in? Are we in reading? Are we math, science, or social studies? M is movement. Should they be staying seated at the carpet? Do they need to ask if they can move? Are they in stations where they have the ability to rotate around? And again, that little file that I sent you has changes out of like how to change it out. I have them as well. P is participation. Are they only listening with their ears? Is it group work? Is it partner work? And so it goes on about participation. And then S is just success. That's how we check ourselves. If we're doing all of these things, then we're going to be successful. So I hope that helps you out on what CHAMPS is. And again, you're going to do it before, because like how it talks about activity. So before every activity, you're just going to CHAMP it out to set those expectations for them.